Assalamu alaikum to all the students.
Salam. Walaikum
Walaikum
salam.
salam. Walaikum salam.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम मैम।
Walaikum.
Walaikum salam, ma'am.
Okay. Now everybody will mute your mics.
Salam.
Okay. So we will start as we start every day. Okay. First we will start with the dua of Imam Zamana. Everybody, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma kulli waliyika al-Hujjat ibn al-Hasan. Salwatuka alayhi wa ala abai. في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه أرزقا توا وتمتعه فيها طويلا اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد وعجل فرجهم. Okay, so everybody please mute your mics. We'll start the session now. Okay. अभी जैसे आप सबको पता है कल हमने इतनी सारी चीजें जानी है, राइट? तो कल हमने क्या किया था? जस्ट अ फास्ट एंड क्विक रिविजन. कल हमने जाना था जनाबे ज़ैनब के बारे में, राइट? और उनके बच्चों के बारे में, दैट इज जनाबे हौन एंड जनाबे मोहम्मद, उनके बारे में जाना था, राइट? नाउ टुडे इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी डिफरेंट डे बिकॉज टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल बहुत सारे वीडियोस. I'm going to show you all the shrai, the roza of Imam Hussain, Maula Abbas, वो सब दिखाने वाले हैं because आपको पता रहना चाहिए ना how they look and everything, because अभी तक आप सबको काफी सारी knowledge आ गई है, right? So वो सब चीज में जो बहुत जरूरी है. Now if you go to see, yesterday हमने और तिले ज़ैनबिया के बारे में भी डिस्कस किया था, राइट? नाउ हम थोड़ा सा पहले फोटोग्राफ्स दिखाने से पहले और करने से पहले आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज द टाइमलाइन ऑफ करबला, यानी इमाम हुसैन करबला कभी पहुंचे, ऑन विच डेट, फिर व्हाट हैपेंड ऑन द 3rd मुहर्रम, व्हाट हैपेंड ऑन द 6th 7th, लाइक दिस, राइट? तो यू शुड नो ना कि किसके बाद क्या है क्या नहीं. ओके, सो आई वांट एवरीबडी टू लिसन वेरी अटेंटिवली. Okay, and in between only thumbs up and thumbs down. Okay, okay, so we will start. Yes, no talking in between. Okay, very good, only thumbs up and thumbs down. Okay, so now we go on to the क्या कहते हैं इसे, timeline of Karbala की time. what was the date, कौन सी डेट थी ना? इमाम हुसैन reached Karbala, वो करबला पहुंचे 2nd of मुहर्रम को. Okay, then on 3rd मुहर्रम उमर साद पूरे यजीदी आर्मी के साथ, उनके लश्कर के साथ जो बहुत ह्यूज था, उनके साथ ऑल द आर्मी, यजीदी आर्मी के साथ ही रीच्ड करबला ऑन द 3rd of मुहर्रम. ओके, एंड द आर्मी वाज वेरी लार्ज. उसके अंदर बहुत सारे हॉर्सेस थे, बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स थे, सोल्जर्स में सबके साथ बहुत सारी स्वॉर्ड्स थी. वेरी 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 बिग आर्मी इट वाज. ओके, देन ऑन द 6th of मुहर्रम, एज यू ऑल नो दैट Janabe Habib ibn Mazair, Imam Hussein's friend, so he had asked for help to Bani Asad. Bani Asad, you know who it is? It is a tribe. Okay, and who's from that? So there are two people. Imam Hussain के जो companion थे वो Bani Asad से थे. Okay, two people. That is Janabe Habib ibn Mazair. Janabe Habib ibn Mazair, we've all done. He was childhood friend of Imam Hussain. इमाम हुसैन के बचपन के दोस्त थे जनाबे हबीब इब्ने मज़ाहिर. ओके, इमाम हुसैन के चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड थे. एंड द सेकंड इज मुस्लिम इब्ने औसजा. ओके, ही वाज द वन. नाउ व्हाट यू नो हु वाज मुस्लिम औसजा? ही वाज द कंपेनियन ऑफ प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. ही वाज द कंपेनियन, वो उनके साथ थे, कंपेनियन उनके साथ थे. ओके, एंड ही वाज आल्सो वहां पे जब वो थे, ही वाज द वन हु वाज आल्सो killed in the battle of Karbala. Okay, so that is Bani Asad. Say who were there? Two people with Imam Hussain. That is Habib ibn Mazair and Muslim Ausaja. These two people were there. Okay, and you know what happened with Muslim ibn Ausaja? उनके बच्चे, उनका son भी था. He was also there, who was killed in the battle of Karbala. Okay, so these are all small things which joined and give us a lot of lessons. हमें काफी सारी lessons, हमें काफी सारी information, छोटी information रहती है जो हमें जानने की जरूरत रहती है. Because until unless हम छोटी चीजों को जानेंगे नहीं, how will we come to know, right? That who was there in the battle, कौन battle में था, कैसे हुआ, and everything, right? Then what happened? Then came the 7th of Muharram. When the 7th of Muharram came up, so that time जो पानी था, पानी बंद कर दिया था ना, इमाम हुसैन पे, उनके बच्चों पे. सो हाउ वाज, जो वहां पे जो उनके खेमगा लगे थे, जो टेंट लगे थे, उनके पास नहरे फुरात था. ओके, देयर वाज अ वाटर गोइंग. रिवर कैसे रहता है वैसे वाटर था. तो वहां से जो यजीद की आर्मी जो लीडर था उसने कहा कि अभी पानी बंद हो जाएगा, अभी हम आपको पानी नहीं देंगे. एंड देन उन्होंने पानी का जो वे था जो था उसे कट कर दिया. एंड देन देयर वाज नो वाटर फ्रॉम 7th of Muharram. Then the 9th of, when it was 9th of Muharram, so Shimr did so on the 9th of Muharram, Shimr arrived in Karbala. You all might have seen Mukhtarnama. In that person, if you all have not seen, you all see it is just a photo for you all to understand. So he arrived on the 9th of Muharram, and he also came. वो भी वहाँ पे he came. So he got he got an army with him, lots of soldiers in that. And Imam Hussain only had 72 people with him, only 72 soldiers, but all were in support strongly, blindly with Imam Hussain. कुछ भी हो जाएगा, what come ever, we are not going to leave Imam Hussain, right? और आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि इमाम हुसैन की जो आर्मी थी वो 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड की गई थी. द लेफ्ट फ्लैंक, द राइट फ्लैंक एंड द फ्रंट. सो वहां पे 3 साइड से सराउंड. सो लेफ्ट फ्लैंक, राइट एंड 1 साइड दैट वाज कंट्रोल्ड बाय मौला अब्बास, बिकॉज़ ही वाज द alamdar of the army. He was the alamdar of that army. So that is 3 sides, left, right and the Alabad side. Okay, so this is the 3 things that it was surrounded by. Now one personality जो हमें सबको जानना बहुत 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 जरूरी है. Have you all heard about the name Hur? Very good, very good. Yes, so जनाबे हुर अलैहि सलाम. You know what is the meaning of हुर? हुर का मतलब है free. The name of the meaning means free. तो जो जनाबे हुर थे, you know, he was in the army. वो यजीद की आर्मी में थे पहले. वो जब यजीद की आर्मी में थे और फिर क्या हुआ? What happened? जब इमाम हुसैन was reaching, he was the one जिसने इमाम हुसैन को कूफे के रास्ते में he had stopped. उन्होंने स्टॉप करके इमाम हुसैन से he had stopped and told कि नहीं, आप यहाँ से आगे नहीं जा सकते हो. So he was the one who had stopped Imam Hussain. And what happened? Slowly after doing that, he started feeling guilty. उनको guilty feeling होने लगा. And what happened on the 10th Muharram, on the day of 10th Muharram, he and his son, वो जनाबे हुर अलैहि सलाम और उनके बेटे और उनके स्लेव, वो तीनों ने सीक्रेटली वहां से एस्केप होके इमाम हुसैन को मिलने गए, क्योंकि अगर वो वहां पे बताते तो पीपल वुड नॉट अलाउ हिम टू गो. तो सीक्रेटली वो, उनका बेटा और उनका एक स्लेव, यानी स्लेव मीन्स हेल्पर जो रहते हैं ना, वो तीनों इमाम हुसैन के पास चले गए. एंड देन व्हेन जनाबे हुर अलैहि सलाम रीच्ड इमाम हुसैन, व्हेन ही रीच्ड ओवर देयर, तो इमाम हुसैन सॉ एंड ही वाज, इमाम हुसैन तो न्यू कि जनाबे हुर इज गोइंग टू कम, बट व्हेन जनाबे हुर सॉ इमाम हुसैन, वो इतना क्राई करे एंड ही टोल्ड इमाम हुसैन, आई एम रियली सॉरी, मैं बहुत गलत किया हूँ आपके साथ, मुझे प्लीज फॉरगिव कर दो, मुझे पता है कि मैंने आपको स्टॉप किया था रास्ते में, मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना था, बट प्लीज फॉरगिव मी. तो इमाम हुसैन सेड इट्स ओके, डोंट वरी, मैंने तुम्हें माफ कर दिया, आई हैव फॉरगिव्ड यू. ये रवैया, ये एक्शन, या हम कहे ये सॉफ्टनेस देख के जनाबे हुर वाज सो टच कि मौला मैंने आपको कितना हर्ट किया, बट देन ऑल्सो योर सो मच ऑफ पेशेंस और तुमने मुझे फॉरगिव कर दिया. आई एम सो हैप्पी, आई हैव कम टू बी ऑन योर साइड. मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे आपकी साइड पे, मैं मेरे बेटे को भी लेके आया हूँ कि वी कैन फाइट अगेंस्ट द रॉन्ग, क्योंकि मुझे पता है जो यजीद की जो आर्मी है, यजीद का जो लोग है, जो फॉलोवर्स है, वो पूरी तरह से गलत राह पे है, कंप्लीटली ऑन द रॉन्ग पाथ, और मुझे रॉन्ग के तरफ नहीं जाना है, मुझे राइट के तरफ रहना है, मुझे आपके साथ रहना है. सो दैट इज द रीजन जनाबे हुर अलैहि सलाम लास्ट मोमेंट, एकदम लास्ट ही रियलाइज कि नो, जो हो रहा है वो गलत हो रहा है, आई हैव टू मूव अगेंस्ट द राइट, आई हैव टू मूव अगेंस्ट द राइट, आई हैव टू गो विथ व्हाटएवर इस्लाम इज सेइंग. और इमाम हुसैन का नेचर, उनका जो एटीट्यूड, उन्होंने इतनी सॉफ्टली जनाबे हुर को बुलाया, जनाबे हुर वाज वेरी टच्ड. Then what happened, the night came, and then Janabe Hur said that Imam, give me the permission, मुझे permission दो कि I go on the battlefield and I fight. तो Janabe Hur went to the battlefield, और जब वो battlefield में गए तो यजीदी आर्मी देख के नहीं लाई, you're on this side, तो he said हाँ मैं सही के साथ हूँ, इसीलिए और मैं तुम्हारे साथ फाइट करूंगा, मैं आप लोग के साथ फाइट करने आया हूँ, मैं आप लोग के साथ नहीं हूँ, मैं इमाम के साथ हूँ, एंड आई कम टू फाइट. और वो और उनके बेटे इतने फियरलेसली फाइट किए, दे फाइटेड सो फियरलेसली एंड सो स्ट्रांगली that it was. And then what did the Yazid troop do? उनको सब जगह से घेर के they even killed him, right? And then that was the end. And then when Imam Hussain come to know, he was very sad that Hur alayhi salam got shaheed. So that was, he was another strong fighter of Karbala, Janabe Hur alayhi salam. Okay, now if you go to see, if this, what is the message that we get from this? What is a very strong message that we get from this, that we learn from Hur alayhi salam? The message that we get is that we have to always move towards right. We have to always choose good deeds. हमें हमेशा अच्छी चीजें चूज करना है, हमें हमेशा सच्चाई की तरफ रहना है. We have to be towards truth. हमें हलाल चीजें चूज करना है, जो हमारे लिए हमारे इमाम ने कहा है, हमें उनके फुटपाथ को फॉलो करना है. सो इट इज वेरी सिंपल. यहाँ पे कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि इट इज वेरी टफ या इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. खाली इतना है, आपको समझना है that what happened when, and then everything is very simple, because this is the fight towards right, this is the fight towards good deeds. कि मैं इमाम हुसैन का मेन मकसद क्या था, मेन एम क्या था, कि आई विल नॉट बेंड टुवर्ड्स रॉन्ग, क्योंकि जो हो रहा है वो गलत है, एंड दैट वी कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट. So we have to stand for right. He was the person who stood for right. Now I will take you to the different rosas. I will show you, but in between, when I show you all, I do not want anybody to say anything, because in the last, when we are keeping 15 minutes, we will give answers to all your questions. Because kya hota hai, aap unmute kar dete ho, then it becomes difficult to answer everybody. Okay, so now I am showing everybody. अगर किसी को नहीं दिखता है, कुछ नहीं है, so you'll just do this and I will help you. No speaking in between. Okay, so now we are starting. Okay, so this is the first slide. Now what we are going to see over here is, यहाँ पे जो हम सबसे पहले देखने वाले हैं, अभी तो आपको काफी सारा पता चल गया है. And the first thing, who is scribbling? If the person is scribbling, जो भी parent उसके पास बैठा है, please tell them not to do it, please. Who is doing it? Please don't do it. Otherwise, I will stop the presentation. Okay. So now what it is? Now it is very important for us, क्योंकि आप सबको पता चल गया है कि इमाम हुसैन के what was his aim, what is his message from Karbala and everything. So the first rosa which we will see today is the shrine of Imam Hussain. Okay, so this is the shrine of Imam Hussain. जो पहले आपको black and white picture में जो दिख रहा है, वो काफी old picture है, बहुत old picture है वो. और जो अभी का जो आपको दिख रहा है all bright and yellow, that is the recent picture. अभी क्या हो, what happens is, I will show you that इमाम हुसैन का जो टॉम है, जो ऊपर जो ऐसे ये ऐसे टॉम है, this tomb which is there, that is अभी का जो recent है, it is gold in color and it is all gold. और पता है उनको wash भी करते हैं, they wash it also, they clean it also. But then at times we think इतना बड़ा tomb है, so how will it get washed, कैसे wash करते होगे? So now I will show you all a video. Silently everybody look how they clean the tomb of Imam Hussain. Okay, the next thing is, okay, see. Okay, so this is the way that they are cleaning the tomb. You can see the ladder was also there right up तलक है, तो वो लोग ऊपर चढ़ते हैं, clean करते हैं, and it doesn't take ये ऐसे slowly, it takes a lot of time to clean. And the ये जो tomb जो आपको ऊपर दिख रहा है, it is all made of gold. Okay, it's a very big tomb. और जो जियारत पे गया है, जो जाके देखा होगा, दूर से दिखता होगा, it shines so brightly. एकदम दूर से है ना, when you see it from far away, it shines very brightly, right? So this is the way they clean it. Now आपको पता है करबला में जब मुहर्रम की जो चांद रात रहती है, उसमें करबला में फ्लैग होइस्टिंग सेरेमनी भी होती है. फ्लैग होइस्टिंग सेरेमनी मींस द फ्लैग, जो इमाम हुसैन के जो टॉम्ब, जो ऊपर टॉम्ब के ऊपर जो फ्लैग रहता है वो रेड कलर का रहता है, बट जब मुहर्रम की चांद आती है सो दे मेक इट ब्लैक कलर. तो दैट इज अ फुल बिग सेरेमनी, एक बड़ी सेरेमनी थी जहाँ पे लोग काफी सारे होते और वो सेरेमनी होती है. रेड फ्लैग को उतार के ब्लैक फ्लैग को लगाते हैं, एंड यू सी सो मेनी पीपल ओवर देयर, सो मेनी पीपल स्टैंडिंग एंड ऑल सेइंग लब्बैक या हुसैन, लब्बैक या हुसैन. Why they are doing all this? Because the love of Imam Hussain. We are all here standing because we are all the followers of Imam Hussain. और हमें पता है that it is our Imam who was on the right path and he was, so that is the reason we are all so many people standing over there and saying. So now I will show you the video. ठीक है, आप वीडियो को आराम से देखिए. See the flag changing ceremony as well. Okay. So this is the flag. आपने देखा ना रेड फ्लैग को निकाल के how they put on the black flag. Okay, so this is done over there in Karbala. Now this year also it was done. Okay, but this is the changing ceremony. So see, slowly कितनी सारी चीजें हैं जो हमें जानने मिलती है. The first, the washing of the tomb. Then we saw the flag changing ceremony. है ना, जो फ्लैग चेंज होता है. अभी नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी, वी आर गोइंग टू सी द रोजा ऑफ मौला अब्बास. ओके, दिस इज द जरी which you can see over here. This is the zari of मौला अब्बास. Okay, and this one is, आपको पता था ना जब मौला अब्बास पानी लेने गए थे तो उनके हाथ को they had cut his hand, है ना. तो ये जो छोटा सा you can see on this side. Okay, this is the place where Hazrat Abbas hands were buried. Okay, this is the place. Now next, this is, as you all know, I had told you, Janabe Habib ibn Mazahir, है ना, the friend of Imam Hussain, the childhood friend of Imam Hussain. इसको Imam Hussain ने letter लिख के बुलाया था कि Habib, you have to come now to help me, है ना. So Imam Hussain had written a letter to his childhood friend. So this is the Zari, Habib ibn Mazahir. Who is doing this? Please remove this. Who is doing this, Masti? And the next you will see is Janabe Hur. Okay. अभी हमने सुना ना जनाबे हुर के बारे में, right? है ना, we heard about जनाबे हुर अलैहि सलाम, right? How he repented, how उन्होंने forgiveness के लिए इमाम हुसैन के पास he went and इमाम हुसैन ने उनको forgive भी कर दिया कि नहीं हुर, I have freed you from everything. It is very much visible, बच्चा. So this is, we've seen about जनाबे हुर. Okay. Now the next, जैसे you have just heard, na, I've just told the incident of Janabe Hur. Now, please clean this. Who is doing all this on the screen? Who is doing this? Now, yesterday जब मैंने आपसे बात की थी और डिस्कस की थी तो याद है मैंने कहा था तिल्ले ज़ैनबिया, I will show you all the photos. So Tille Zainabia is at a height, okay? Height पे है, तो जहाँ पे जनाबे Zainab was standing, and सब वो देख रहे थे कि बैटल ऑफ फील्ड में, करबला की बैटल फील्ड में क्या हो रहा है, right? He used to see that. Who is doing this?
I'm getting mad. Who's scribbling on the screen?
Yeah, somebody is scribbling. Please stop scribbling. Bachcha, please stop scribbling. Then it doesn't look nice. Na, in school, you all don't do all this, right? And we are doing a very sad thing. So you cannot play like this. Okay, so Tilla Zainabia is at a height. You can also see over here. See, यहाँ पे down, you can see the steps going on top. So you have to climb the steps and go. ये लेफ्ट पे जो मैंने आपको ब्लैक एंड फोटो दिखाया वो काफी टाइम पहले का है, ओल्ड फोटोग्राफ है, और ये अभी न्यू है, बट एकदम रिसेंट का नहीं है, बट काफी सारे चेंजेस हुए हैं, बट दिस इज जस्ट अ व्यू. You know that how is Tille Zainabia. This is the entrance and these are the steps to go inside. Okay. Now the next that we come on to is, you all can see it properly. Can I have a thumbs up? So I know everybody is with me. You can't see. I want, if you can see, I want a thumbs up. Okay, okay, okay. Now you can see. Who is scribbling? Who is scribbling? Please stop scribbling. There's somebody who's scribbling on the screen. Okay, so the next thing now I will show you is Nehre Furad. Okay, as I was telling you now that 7th Muharram ko pani band ho gaya tha, remember? I was telling you all. So this is Nehre Furad. This is the water, you know. So this is incomplete if we, Maula Abbas went to Nehre Furad but returned without water, right? So this is Nehre Furad. Now next we will see another thing. This is the Khemega. This is right behind. Who is the child who is doing this? I think we'll remove the child from the group. If you repeat it again, please. Okay, so Khemega. This is Khemega. Okay, this is the entrance of Khemega. Okay. So this is right behind Tille Zainabia. What does this mean? यहाँ पे जो tents थे, जो बीबीओ के tents थे, right? ये जगह पे बीबीओ के tents थे. This is the place where the tents were based. So it's called Khemega. This they've made everything. So you come to know everything step by step. आपको सब आस्ते आस्ते सब कुछ पता चलेगा. Okay? This is Khemega. Next we will see is Rosa of Bibi Zainab. This is the Rosa of Bibi Zainab. Okay. So this is the Zari which you can see over here. And this is the Rosa. Okay. As you all know, कल मैंने काफी सारी चीजें आपको.
Teacher, I can't. Ma'am, I can't see it properly. I can't see properly.
Yes. I know because somebody is doing scribbling. If the person stops scribbling, everybody can see.
Yes, I can't see. Ma'am,
Please mute your mics. First, please mute your mics. Yes, please. Everybody, please mute your mics.
Miss can't see. Teacher. Teacher can't see. Teacher, there is so much script. I can't see. Teacher cannot see. There is still some script.
Sister, there is an option of disable annotation which they cannot scribble then.
Yes, ma'am, I am saying that only. Ma'am, now it works. Ma'am, we just have to clear the scribbling out. Ma'am, you're mute. Ma'am, you are mute. Ma'am, you are mute. Ma'am, you are mute.
Muted.
Okay, so this is the Rosa of Bibi Zainab. Can I have everybody mute, please? So can I please mute your mics? Okay. So this is clear. Then we move on to the next Rosa, which I think हर बच्चों को इनका नाम पता होगा. Every child might be knowing who it is. It is the Rosa of Bibi Sakina. You all might be knowing about Bibi Sakina, right? She was the daughter of Imam Hussain. Imam Hussain used to love her so much. Her story also I'll be telling you all tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow or the after tomorrow. Now this is, as I told you all, I had told you all that Bibi Zainab had gone to the Darbar of Yazid. She had gone to the Yazid's palace and there उन्होंने काफी सारी speeches दिए, काफी सारे sermons दिए, काफी सारा कुछ बोला in regards to जो wrong था, जो right था. So this is the Darbar of the Yazid, like really huge. ये अंदर का जो view है, that is there. So this is the Darbar of the Yazid. Okay. So there are a lot of things. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको सब कुछ नहीं दिखाया है. I have just shown you all some hints of everything. So we have seen, if you go to see from first, we've seen the Rosa of Imam Hussain. Then we saw the Rosa of Maula Abbas, right? Then we saw Janabe Habib ibn Mazahir. Then we saw Janabe Hur alayhi salam. Then we saw Tile Zainabia, Nehre Furat. Then we saw even went view of Khemega. Then Rosa of Bibi Zainab, then Janabe Sakina. Okay, so these are all the things, and the last thing that we saw is we saw the Darbar of Yazid. So all these things जब आप देखते हो, जब आप सोचते हो, so you might be thinking there is so much, because Karbala is not a thing कि हम एक just like 9 or 10 days में we can just wrap up. Because यहाँ पे इतनी सारी स्टोरीज रहती है, इतने सारे स्मॉल इंसिडेंसेस रहते हैं, क्योंकि हर पर्सनालिटी अपने में एक अलग चीज थी. एवरीबडी हैड अ डिफरेंट एबिलिटी, एवरीबडी वाज डिफरेंट. अगर आप देखने जाओ, काफी टाइम आपने सुना होगा कि इन बिटवीन यू किड्स ऑल्सो कभी काफी हो सकता है कि कोई राइट हैंडेड होता है, कोई लेफ्ट हैंडेड रहता है, कोई राइट हैंड से लिखता है, कोई दोनों हाथ से भी लिख सकता है. इसको क्या कहते हैं? हर इंसान में अलग अलग एबिलिटी रहती है, हर इंसान की एक क्वालिटी रहती है. तो सेम अप्लाइज ओवर हियर. करबला में भी हर पर्सनालिटी, हर इंसान के पास अपनी एक क्वालिटी थी. जैसे इफ यू गो टू सी जस्ट एन एग्जांपल, मौला अब्बास वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग. नोबडी कुड मैच मौला अब्बास. सो यू सी, that is the way. Everybody has some or the other personality, some or the other ability. Abhi, if you go to see, just to wind up everything, Karbala gave us a lot of message. बहुत सारे messages हमको मिले. सबसे पहले जो आज का हमारा sum up का message होगा, we have to keep, हमें एक open mind रखना है. जो हमारा, जो मैंने थर्ड या सेकंड या थर्ड सेशन में कहा था कि I can't वाला जो हमारी थिंकिंग है, उसको चेंज करके हमको I can वाले थिंकिंग पे लाना है. राइट? सो इन दैट वी नीड टू कीप आवर माइंड ओपन. माइंड ओपन का मतलब क्या है? यू हैव टू थिंक विथ योर ओन थिंकिंग. इसका मतलब क्या है कि मुझे अपने आप से सोचना है. काफी टाइम हम ऐसे करते हैं कि हम हमारे पेरेंट्स को पूछते हैं कि ऐसे कैसे करूं, विदाउट इवन डूइंग. करने से पहले ही हम पेरेंट्स को पूछ लेते हैं कि ये कैसे करूं, वो कैसे करूं. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू ट्राई डूइंग इट फ्रॉम योर एंड फर्स्ट. देन फिर आपको नहीं समझ में आता है तो टेक हेल्प. दिस विल मेक यू सी, वंस और ट्वाइस आप मिस्टेक करोगे, बट थर्ड टाइम से क्या होगे? यू विल बिकम रिस्पॉन्सिबल. You will start thinking. यहाँ पे क्या? We don't think, we depend on our parents. Let it be 5-year-old, let it be 6-year-old. कितने भी साल के हो आप, that doesn't matter. Thinking should start from your end. Thinking should start from your end, which is very, very important. Okay? जो भी है, have to. So what does it show? That you have to keep an open mind. The second thing that I think I have been repeating, काफी time I have been repeating that thing, you have to speak the truth and you have to support the truth. हमें सच्चाई के साथ रहना है, हमें उसे support करना है, because हमारे इमाम का भी यही message है that you should support the truth. हमें सच्चाई के साथ रहना है. And the thing, जो जनाबे हुर का incident I have told you, never too late to repent. It's never too late to repent. Any mistake, always come up front and tell. गलती होती है आके बोल दो. The second thing is, in the night, most of you all, before going to sleep, we have a lot of habit of watching the phone and then going to sleep na. So no news at night is good news. Remember this. No news at night is good news. सिर्फ 5 minutes देखने दो मम्मा. अरे सिर्फ 5 minutes, सिर्फ 2 minutes. काफी टाइम ऐसा था, we are seeing the Noha and we are sleeping. No, you listen to it. Give your eyes little relaxation before going to sleep. सोने से 1 घंटा पहले nobody is going to watch the phone. If you want to see Noha, listen to it. Listen to the Noha. Okay? Very, very important. No news at night is good news. What will happen? See, the message that हमारा मैसेज जो आप लोग को पहुंचाना है वो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ 9 days के लिए है, ये बात के लिए भी है, क्योंकि we want you all, you all are the roses of our garden. You know that? We want you all to be strong. We want you all to think, because you're the person, आप लोग वो हो जो आगे बढ़ के चेंज ला सकते हो. So it is very important that you be strong, start thinking. So no watching phone in the night. सोने से पहले 1 घंटा पहले आपको बहुत क्रेविंग होगी. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है? घर में रबर बैंड होगा सबके पास, है ना? ओके, सो रबर बैंड जो है ना हमको हमारे रिस्ट पे ऐसे डालना है 2-3 दिन के लिए. जब भी क्रेविंग होती है ना हमें फोन देखने की, तो वो रबर बैंड ऐसे पुल करके छोड़ना है. तो जब वो रबर बैंड ऐसे पुल करके छोड़ोगे तो एक चिमटी लगेगी, है ना? और प्लास्टिक का रबर बैंड ना, कॉटन का रबर बैंड नहीं. ओके, प्लास्टिक का रबर बैंड. तो जब आप रिस्ट पे टाई करते हो फिर वो ऐसे पकड़ के ऐसे छोड़ना है. तो क्या होगा? That you will get a pinch. Mummy is also not hitting, Papa is also not shouting, nobody. I am improving myself. Okay? तो वो जब पुल करते हो तो पिंच लगेगा. तो पिंच लगेगा तो वो टाइम पे याद करना कि what did Sabha ma'am, Sabha teacher said? No watching phone. Keep it away. Seeing the phone is not benefiting us anywhere.
We pull the rubber band from our arm, it will hurt us.
So that is the thing, Batul, I'm telling you all, that if it will hurt you all will remember that I do not have to do like this. Hai na? Please mute your mics, Batul, so you will remember that I do not have to do like this. Because if I am going to watch my phone, my mummy is going to take away, so I'm going to get upset. So from today, as I told you, you have to keep an open mind. You have to start thinking for yourself. हमें अपने बारे में सोचना शुरू करना है. So the first thing the thinking starts is leaving the phone aside. So leaving the phone aside, ऐसे तो आप नहीं छोड़ोगे. So let's use the rubber band technique for y'all. So let's see how that works for all of y'all. है ना? It's a something different thing and a good thing for y'all to try. Okay, try and see. 1 time, 2 time, try. Okay, so what will happen? As I said, that Janabe Hood, he said never too late to repent. कभी भी माफी मांगने में लेट नहीं होता है. And whatever Imam Hussain did, he did to please Allah ना. जैसे आप कह रहे हो अभी कि मुझे ऐसे करोगे तो लगेगा, मुझे पता है वो लगेगा, मैं ट्राई करूंगी और मुझे ये भी पता है जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो गलत है. Then also I am doing it. Right? I know it is wrong. Then also I am doing it. So from today, I have to start doing things that will please Allah. Right? Whichever goes on, I have to do that. Very, very important. और हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव ही यही होना चाहिए. हम ये 9 days की वर्कशॉप में लर्न क्या कर रहे हैं? मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव ही ये होना चाहिए that I will do whatever I will do is I will do to please Allah. Okay? So I will always talk the truth. मैं हमेशा सही के साथ रहूंगी. And then I will whatever I will do to please Allah. Right? And you have to always give preference to others. As I said, you all should always think about others first. दूसरों के बारे में पहले सोचे, चाहे वो आपकी भाई हो, बहन हो, जो भी हो. काफी टाइम ऐसे होता है, आपको पानी पीना रहता है, आपकी बहन भी आपके साथ रहती है, तो पानी रहता है तो आपको ऐसा तो नहीं पहले मैं पी लूं. नहीं, ऑलवेज व्हेनेवर यू आर वेरी थर्स्टी और आपकी बहन भी थर्स्टी हो या आपका भाई भी थर्स्टी हो, पहले उनको ऑफर कीजिए. That is the message. जब हम दूसरों की चीज, for example, when I understand the pain of others, it's good for me. It is very important that I need to give the preference to others. दूसरी की need को समझना जरूरी है. Message यही है. What did Maula Abbas do? Maula Abbas, आपको पता है उनकी story. Maula Abbas went to Nehre Furat to take the water for Bibi Sakina. But did he drink water? No, he didn't drink water. Why? Because he wanted to give the water to the women and the children in the khema, in the tents. They were waiting. Mullah Abbas could also drink water. No, but he saw over here that I have to look at others. मुझे दूसरों के बारे में सोचना है. Bibi Sakina is waiting over there. So this is just an example to give you that घर में काफी time होता है ऐसे. That if somebody's water, for example, if you're drinking fruity also, you're with your brother and sister, there is one fruity. So what you all will do? You will gup 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 karke drink it first. No, ask your brothers, ask your sisters, and your brothers sisters also should understand. They should not finish the full fruity. They should have half and offer you half. Okay? So that, what will happen if this behavior, ये जो behavior है, अगर आप practice करते हो, understanding the need of others, understanding what my brother wants, what my sister wants, क्या होगा? इससे आप brothers और sisters का love भी increase होगा. आप दोनों में bond भी strong होगा. है ना? This is very very important. Now most of the kids की मुझे काफी सारी activities भी मिली है, which I'm very very happy, very very thankful to all the parents, because वो भी बैठ के आपके साथ काफी सारी drawings करा रहे हैं, काफी सारी paintings मुझे मिली है, everything very nice, माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. No unmuting your mics. I'll give you time to talk. Don't worry, bacha. I'll give you time to talk. Very good,
Just
very nice.
asking what is the homework today?
Yes, Batul, I haven't finished, bacha. I'll tell you what is today. Okay, last 15 minutes for you, right? Okay. So which is very very important that we have to look into is, as I said, sorry, I was talking about the homework. So जो homework मैंने दिया है, thank you to all the parents, क्योंकि काफी अच्छे से मुझे homework आ रहा है, and it is going on well, right? So yesterday the homework that I gave you is, I had given you is to write about Janab Ali Akbar, Janab Ali Asgar, and the fourth Imam. Write 2-3 dialogues about it, 2-3 lines about it, right? So the next homework that today I'm going to give you all is, I want you to see it. It's very nice. Okay, I will. अगर किसी से होता है, you do not have to go outside. कुछ बाहर से लेने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, कुछ भी नहीं. Just look at it. It is a very simple activity. Okay, so I'm showing it to you all. Okay. Now see at it very simply. You'll have to draw your hand with a pencil and you'll have to cut it. Okay. Yes, Abbas Ali Fazal, it is very simple. Okay. Yes, very nice. Okay. So you'll have to draw this and you'll have to cut it. Okay. And then inside you can write . So you have to cut it and फिर आपको जैसे decorate करना है, उसके ऊपर या हुसैन लिखना है तो या हुसैन, या अब्बास लिखना है या अब्बास, whatever you want, the way you can do it your way. Okay, today you will make this alam type panja you will make. Tomorrow I will show you how to make mashke sakina. So when you will make this, then you can attach the mashke sakina on this. Okay, so this is the activity जो मैंने आपको आज दिखाई है. Okay, so whichever color, whichever way you want to do it, you all can do it. Okay, is it clear to everybody?
Okay, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, if you want, the parents can take a photo as well. It's easy. Okay.
Teacher.
Please mute your mics, Batul. Please mute your mic.
Ma'am.
Okay, so this is the thing that I have shown you, all of you all.
The homework, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
how to send the homework, ma'am?
You can do it, keep it with you. You can send it on the number as well. आपको जैसे करना है, you can do that. Okay. Okay. So which is very important. Please mute your mics. Okay, so सबने homework देख लिया है, सबने सब कुछ देख लिया है. अभी before we go on आपके question answer session पे, I want to do a revision of हमने आज क्या क्या किया है. Right, so listening very carefully, a revision of today. The first thing that we did is we did the timeline of Karbala. What happened? Maula arrived on the 2nd of Muharram to Karbala. Who came? Okay, so we did a timeline doing to Karbala. Then we also discussed about Nehre Furat. Okay, so timeline to Karbala, we discussed about Nehre Furat. Then we discussed about Janabe Hur, the meaning of the name of Janabe Hur, right? And we also did what are the deeds that we have to do. We also discussed the rubber band technique, to not watch phone, no news at night is good news. Okay, the rubber band technique आपके लिए use की गई है, तो आप phone से दूर रहेंगे. Okay, so we have done the 5 things today. And the last thing that मैंने आपको दिखाई, वो आपको आज की activity दिखाई. Right? So is it clear to everybody? सबको एकदम अच्छे से clear हो गया है? Okay. Now anybody has any questions, you can ask me. Hands one by one. Everybody's hands up. I will answer everybody one by one. Okay? Yes, Middat Narjis, tell me. Zoha, tell me. Zoha.
मैम हम अपना होमवर्क आपको कैसे बताएं?
आपने जो नंबर पे रजिस्टर किया उस पे होमवर्क भेज दीजिएगा.
ओके मैम.
Yes, please mute your mic. Who has the homework? Who has muted? Please raise your hand so I come to know. Yes, Batul, tell me. Yes, Batul, tell me, bacha. Okay, so I think who else has a question? Please raise your hands. Yes, Batul, tell me, beta, tell me. Please unmute your mics, bacha. Unmute your mic. Mic is mute. Unmute your mic. How will I hear, bacha? Okay, who's next? Okay, Rehan and Shifa, tell me. Unmute your mics. Rehan and Shifa.
Yes. Wow.
You can't hear me?
Ma'am, I was just saying that I cannot unmute myself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the drawing, can we do some things? Any decoration?
Rehan Shifa.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, Rehan and Shifa.
मैम, yesterday आपने बताया कि बीबी ज़ैनब अलैहिस्सलाम को 4 बच्चे थे ना मैम, 4 बेटे थे
Yes.
ना, तो वो 2
Yes.
बेटे कहाँ थे मैम? जंग करबला में नहीं थे ना?
They didn't accompany Janabe Zainab to Karbala.
Means they were left in Medina.
Yeah. And more in detail, if you want, in detail, I'll get it and I will WhatsApp you. Okay? I have got your number along with me. Don't worry. Okay? The detailed history we have, we'll send it to you so you can read it. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Can you repeat again the activities?
Yeah, I will repeat the activity. So you want today's activity? You can see this. Yes, tell me, Heba and Amna. Yes, Heba and Amna, tell me. Who else has a question? Or we are done? I think aaj काफी clear. Everybody knows everything. No questions or you'll have? Yes, Ryan Ali, tell me.
Ma'am, can we do some decorations on the hand one? That hand drawing?
Yes, bacha. Yes, yes, you can do. You can do. You can do whatever you like. Yes, anything you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever you like, you can do. Yes. Yes, Sania and Cherish. I can't hear you. You have to unmute, beta.
Yes, I don't want to ask a question, but I want to show you something.
Yeah, show me.
Miss, I have made this alarm-like thing, and
Yeah, very nice.
with the paper, and I have written Labbaik Ya Hussain on it, and I made a drawing too.
Very good, mashallah. I can see it. You can remove a photo and send it on the number which you've registered. Okay? I will see it.
Okay.
Okay? Yes. Tell me, Zoya. Zoya Karmali, tell me. Unmute your mics, beta.
Miss,
Yes, tell me.
but what is the meaning of Hur?
Free. Free. Free.
Thank you, Appa.
Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Hamza, tell me. Yes, you can leave. If you're done, you can leave. Yes, Hamza.
Bye,
Wait, nobody's going to say bye. Just give me a wave up. Yes, Hamza. Can you speak loudly, beta, Hamza? Yes. Please mute your mics. Please mute. I will not be able to answer like this. आप mic mute कीजिए. Raise your hand. I will answer everybody. Please mute your mics. Please mute your mics, everybody. I will show it to you. Noor Fatima, please mute your mic. Rukaya, please mute your mic.
I want to tell something. Question.
Wait. First mute your mic. I will give everybody a chance. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. First mute your mics. Raise your hands, everybody. Yes, Zoya, tell me.
Miss, इमाम हुसैन के कितने बेबीज थे?
इमाम हुसैन के बेबीज जनाब अली असगर, जनाब सकीना, जनाब अली अकबर. Okay? Okay?
Excuse me.
or not on the 9th of Muharram, we are going to do more in detail.
Ma'am?
We'll tell you everything about Imam Hussain on the 9th of Muharram, okay?
Ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Please mute. Please. Yes, Rukaya, tell me now.
Teacher, you will send the drawing.
Sorry?
You will send the drawing.
Yes. Yes, you will get the drawing on your number. जो आप number से register किए हो, वो number से आपको drawing आएगी. Don't worry.
Ma'am?
Okay?
Ma'am?
The what?
One by one. I am not going to answer like this. One by one. Please. Now, no, wait. Please, Rukaya, mute your mics. I will send you the drawings. Mute your mics. Yes, Hamza, tell me.
Decorate along with stone.
Sorry?
Can you decorate with stone?
Yes, you can. It is your alam. You can decorate it the way you want it, beta. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait. Yes. Who is that? Please raise your hands. Yes, Rutba, tell me.
Ma'am, can you show the rubber band trick?
So you have to tie a rubber band on your wrist. Plastic rubber band जो आपको मिलता है, and you will get a pinch on your hand. Okay? ठीक है? और बहुत जोर से नहीं करना, आस्ते से करना, नहीं तो बोलोगे टीचर ने इतने जोर से बोला and then you will get hurt. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to join Islamic class after Muharram also. Is there any Islamic class? Please inform me.
Yes, we will inform you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Sakina.
Ma'am, can you please show the drawing again?
I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you. Okay, so I'm showing you all the drawing again. Have a look at it. Okay?
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
So you all have seen everything. Now, inshallah, I will meet you all tomorrow.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, Rehan and Shifa?
Ma'am, did Hazrat Abbas have any sons? Means that
Yes, he did. I am going to tell you all day after tomorrow. I do not want to tell you anything. It's a very interesting story. We are going to show you with presentation and everything. Okay? Day after tomorrow.
Ma'am, can I ask
Yes.
something? Ma'am, can we make our alam colorful?
I have given you all the activity. Listen to me. बच्चा, I have given you, मैंने आपको activity दे दिया है. आपको जैसे बनाना है आपकी activity है. Whichever way you want, you can do it. Okay? Yes, Zoya, tell me.
मैम, मेरे घर पे मदरसा है, तो मैं लीव कर सकती हूँ, मुझे नमाज पढ़ना है इससे.
Okay, okay, बेटा, leave. खुदा हाफिज.